Every day I like to do, little tips, little tricks, little how-to videos, how to promote your Live Good business. Okay, and this is another one, okay? I'm going to show you how I post on Facebook, okay? And you can do something similar on your favorite social media too. Like a lot of people just love TikTok and Instagram. Some people are hanging in there with Threads, and I guess Twitter. They're still going to try to go by the X, okay? I think we all call it Twitter still, don't we? But anyway, I'm a big fan of social media. I believe that if you're going to use it, don't promote your business every single post. Okay, there's already a Live Good website. If people want product and information and how much is shipping and customer service, there's already a beautiful website. You need to pick one thing and promote it, like maybe our brand new product of this, or maybe you like protein powder, or you want to talk about the money aspect, like, hey, if you want to be an affiliate, okay, click here, boom. All right, but at the end of the day, if you're going to just talk nonstop about join, you're going to make people zone out on social media, because most people think social media is still pictures of puppies and lasagna and yelling and screaming about the Super Bowl, or maybe showing, I don't know, your favorite garden that you made 5 years ago. All right, you show pictures of the good old days when you were young in high school, or cars you used to own. But social media is very social. But I use my own Facebook profile page to promote business. I mix it. The more that I mix it in with cars or food, or maybe I have something fun coming up, and then post about, in this case, Live Good, I have more results. Okay? I do not post a lot on social media. I don't have to post every day 50 times about Live Good. Once a day, twice a day, guys, that's it. Out of 20 posts, I'll post only once or twice about Live Good. Okay, this is important. You need to invite people to a link to click to watch a video. Okay? I don't know if that's my secret, or, that's my tip or my gossip on how to create, a good pre-enroll number. Okay? Because every day, guys, I get 2 or 3 or 4 people to pre-enroll. And then this line right here where it says upgrade, this is where people have actually went to joincory.com and they put their name and email address in. And they got out their credit card and said, hey, you know what? I got $49.95. I'm going to go ahead and join. Okay? So anyway, I kind of like it. All right? It's kind of fun. It's kind of nice. But I'm a big fan of just inviting people to joincory.com. And then if you want to go ahead and put your email address or your name, it's up to you. Okay? But when it does come to any type of activity on Facebook, all you got to do is just post. I think, in my opinion, just post every now and then on Facebook. You don't have to post all the time. Okay? This is my Facebook page. All right? I don't have a business page for Live Good or any of my other businesses. If you go to facebook.com, you can see Pure Rock Radio Network. Okay? That's my username. But you can see my white Hummer here, my big old giant face with my yellow hat on. But do you see I post about other stuff? Like I hope Tulsi, I loved her. She's awesome. All right. I put a little post about Tulsi, and someone sent me a picture of the Barrett Jackson auto auction with the Hummer here. All right. I collect Hummers. All right. And this one's for sale, a cool red one. And then I saw an ad where San Andreas Part 2 is coming out, the movie. So I thought, okay, well, I'll show The Rock here that looks like he's been working out for the last 50 years. Okay, but if you see here, do you notice I did like a Hummer, and then I talked about Tulsi, and then I talked about maybe a movie coming out, Part 2. And then right in the middle, look at that. Live Good. Okay? And you can see Live Good, Feel Great. All right. And then what I do is I just put 7 more people join my team in the last few weeks and decided to improve their health and energy. New sleep gummies and skin products fly off the shelves, which they are. 9 more new products in the next 2 months. And that's what Ben and Dr. Ryan said the other day on a live Zoom on Friday. And we have about 1.7 million members. So see, I kind of keep it simple. All right. I don't put anything like crazy and write an ad that's, God, I don't know, takes 5 minutes to read. Okay. And I don't put like make money, but I just put some results. I have 405 people, that have signed up. It puts me about number 27 in the company out of 1.7 million. But I just put a little picture of this just to keep it a little mysterious. Just enough where people might go, well, the skincare products are flying off the shelves and the new sleep gummies are pretty cool. Why don't I maybe look into this opportunity? Okay. And then see right there, I don't even have to put www or HTTP. Do you notice I can just put joincory.com? And see when you click it live on Facebook, look, it goes right to the Live Good capture page. Do you see that? This is my goal. I just want people to watch this 6-minute video. Okay. And if they like what they hear or see, they might go ahead and just bookmark this page and come back maybe in a week or maybe in a month. I've had people sign up with me 3 or 4 months after they watch this little video. And if you want to get more information, put your name and email address here, reserve my position, or if you just want to sign up with LiveGood, put your name and email, click reserve, and then you'll get an email. And it's just a nice little email saying, hey, LiveGood, you want to join? Click here. Then you go to another page and you can get a username, password. If you want to pay with debit card, Visa card, we even take cryptocurrency. I think BitPay and is it iPayout? All right, because a lot of people, they just use cryptocurrency. All right, they don't have banks on every corner like I do here where I live. Okay, and if you want to order product, you can. You can configure your, let's say, debit or credit card so that every Thursday, all right, if your bank is configured, you can get paid every Thursday. And if you want to order products, you can just go in, pick a couple products, protein powder, maybe those sleep gummies that make you sleep. And maybe I want to feel good and take some of these vitamins. Just go ahead and put them in your cart. And then before you buy, you know exactly how much your shipping is. Because some people are like, okay, your products are wholesale. They're by far the cheapest online, but your shipping is like 2 or 3 times more than it should be. Guys, we use the United States Post Office. If it costs $5 to ship, we charge exactly $5. There is no profit on shipping. There is no handling. The shipping's $5, it's $5. If you're going to be outside of the United States, it's usually DHL International. Okay, with tracking, even here in the United States. So after you order, you're just going to go in your back office and it just says my order. There's a tracking number. And if it's in Texas waiting to come here to Utah, or if it's going out of Jupiter, Florida, where our distribution centers are, you might see that it's flying over to England and be, distributed to France. Or, China's massive right now. We're getting distribution centers set up over in Asian areas because India is just kicking butt. That's actually my biggest downline. China obviously has billions of people. Japan, South Korea, all these countries over in the Asian areas are just killing it. Okay, we're doing well in the UK. So, of course, France and Germany, all those countries that are all just in that little circle, okay? We're going to have to put distribution centers there, and then Africa and Australia. Okay, it's nice that you can see some of the products. I put Live Good products on my little fridge here off to the side. It's nice if those products are already, let's say, in Africa. And I think we have a distribution center in Nigeria. And then from there, the products are already sitting in a warehouse. So that if you are in Africa, let's say West Africa, wherever you're at over there, if you go ahead and order, it's nice that if the products are there already, so your shipping time is going to be faster and the cost is going to be cheaper. We had no idea we're going to sign up 1.7 million people like this. Okay? But we did. And right now, Ben and people in charge of Live Good that make decisions, they're like, we got to set up distribution centers. So obviously in the next year or two, we're going to set up probably as many distribution centers as we need to, especially in the bigger areas of where Live Good is just like, wow. And that's obviously in the Asian, African. We have them here. We have 3 buildings now just in the United States. Canada, of course. All right, up north from me here. But it's nice that when you order a product, you know exactly the ingredients, how much the price is, wholesale or retail. Depends if you're a member or not for $10 a month. And then you know exactly to the penny how much the shipping is and the tracking. And there's insurance too. So if a dog eats it or a giraffe comes and steals your protein powder, guys will know there's insurance and there's tracking. We trust DHL International. They're a $1 billion company, and the United States Post Office here in America, they're pretty big too, trust me. Okay. So I just am a big fan of just talking about Live Good like you would if you're in the backyard of a neighbor, or maybe you're just, hey, Cory, I see on Facebook you were talking something about Live Good, or is it Live Great? Something. What is it about? I just give them one of my business cards. It's just joincory.com. Guys, watch the video, and if you like the products, great. Be a member, save money. If you want to be an affiliate, it's $40 one time. Let's get you aboard. All right, let's see if we can earn you some money. That'd be kind of cool. Maybe you want to spend $100 on products. Well, let's get you earning 100. Okay? I can't guarantee that. I can't promise that, but I'll tell you what, if you do what I do, which I hope you copy me, get the business cards. All right, get a little fun domain name. I got joincory.com and some other ones that are kind of similar. All right, then I invite people to the Live Good capture page. Your page is going to be exactly like this. But do you see right here? You can customize that. So instead of welcome to Live Good, Cory Draper's website, let's say your name is Bob Smith. Welcome to Bob Smith's website. Or maybe you have a gym. Welcome to Cory's gym. Welcome to Cory's Nutrition Center. I mean, whatever you want to put. I just like to put my name there because it matches kind of join Cory. And my email address is cory@corydraper.com. That way people know who I am, because I actually own peoplejoinpeople.com. And I make really good money by that domain. And I firmly believe that if you are looking around, let's say a review on YouTube about Live Good, or maybe you're just on Google Chrome or Google, just trying to find information about the products and the opportunity. And is there some people out there that seem to have more success signing people up? Okay. I think I'm going to pop up. Okay. I'm pretty good at this darn thing. And I love it, especially when it's a worldwide sign up. It's cool to have a friend in Australia and then go over to Asia. Cruise on up to India. What's going on? And then boom, we'll go on over to France. I have friends in New Guinea. I didn't even know where New Guinea was until I looked it up. New Zealand is awesome and Australia over there. But what a cool company. All right. I could go on and on to the break of dawn just about a nice review. As of February, what is today again? It's the 4th, February 4th of 2025. All right. We kicked off December 22nd of 2023. So Live Good's about 2 years and 2 months old. And I've been doing this business with Live Good as an affiliate as of March 2023. So in a couple of months, I can say happy birthday to me. I'm on 2 years as an affiliate. I don't have a lot of experience doing this. I don't have a list. I do now. I did not have a social media following other than car shows and just crazy stuff through my radio days, or maybe Hot Wheels or Legos. But I don't have a following where people go, hey, Cory, you're like a guru with health and nutrition and online marketing. I'd be like, if you told me this 2 years ago, I'd be, no, that's not me. Otherwise, I would have signed up with Amway, Tupperware, New Skin, and all these other MLMs, and I'm not one of those guys. This company is not an MLM like those companies. No offense to those companies, but you don't have to buy a darn thing to earn money. All these products here on my fridge, they're there because I like them and I use them. I'm a member for $10 a month because I want to save money. And I'm an affiliate for a one-time $40 fee because if I can do a video like this to make $100 a month, all these products right here, they're designed to kind of go away every 30 days. So do you think if I'm making $100 a month by just doing videos like this and I can get free products, isn't that pretty cool? Well, wonder if that 100 becomes 1,000 or 2,000 or more, to where you can start doing maybe a car payment, or maybe afford better insurance, full coverage insurance. Maybe I always bring up teeth because some of my downline, they had some teeth that they wanted to fix, but it was just thousands of bucks and they didn't have it. And now, thanks to a nice little check every Thursday, they can afford to fix some things on the bod. All right. It's like we're worn out Camaros. We need some new U joints. we need to rebuild our transmission. Okay. And our stick shift. That didn't sound good. Maybe we're going to start selling. Are we going to start selling Cialis? I'll have to get a hold of customer support and ask support@livegood.com. Do we have organic Cialis? Cory was wondering because he has to rebuild his Camaro chassis and stick shift. So, okay, guys, thanks for the last 15 minutes. I'm a big fan of this company, as you can probably tell. And if you just post Have fun on Facebook or Instagram. Just don't overpost about the opportunity too much. And just get people to your own personal capture page, like I'm showing you right now on my screen. And how I do it is just through this domain, through this business card. Simple. You can do videos that are 1 minute. Some videos on TikTok get more success that are 15 seconds than one like this, where I'm just kind of hanging out with you guys for 15 minutes talking. But it's up to your comfort level. You don't even have to do TikTok or Instagram. Some of our highest paid people in this company, you will not find them on a video. But they're good at emailing, and they're good at probably maybe having their kids do social media posts. I have friends that can't stand social media, but their kids are addicted to it. So they make their kids go ahead and post about certain things and make them kind of fun and interesting. And guess what? People just click their ads for their dads or moms, and it gets them into this nice little business we call Live Good, okay? That's always a good opportunity for the kids and the family. Make your kids work a little bit, especially if your son is 50 and he's playing video games in the basement. Do you guys have any kids that are like that? You know darn well they're never going to move out. Okay. All right, joincory.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, thanks for your time, okay? I think you'll have a good time if you join Live Good. All right, have a good day, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.